G'day, I'm Ian Allpress from Trailmaster Industries. I got Entegra Signature Structures to build this shed for me back in 2018, which they did in a very competent manner. They were able to offer improvements on what my original brief was, which was very, very helpful. My outcome is a better asset than what I was going to originally buy myself, so I'm very happy with everything that they did in that project. In this shed, it's 1,800 square metres. We build pod trailers, which is a little adventure pack, if you like, for either younger people who can't afford the $80,000 Land Cruiser to tow an $80,000 caravan, and they can tow this little lightweight trailer behind their RAV4 and enjoy their camping adventures as they did when they were children. The other target market, which is amazingly buoyant, is the older people that have had the big caravans and the big Land Cruisers and haven't lost their confidence exactly, but are much more confident driving a smaller car with a lightweight. One of the things I really enjoyed about dealing with Entegra was that I knew I needed about 1,800 square metres of factory. I obviously have got only so much land I can utilise on this 1 acre block, and they were able to optimise that for me. But then, as well as that, they were able to tell me how little cost it would be to go 2 metres higher than I originally planned. So the height does two things. It gives me the extra volumetric space that I can utilise, but also in our climate, which is quite cold in winter but very hot in summer, it's keeping that radiant heat that's coming off the roof away from your workers. The attention to detail is absolutely there from start to finish with Entegra.